Hello, and nice to meet you all. My name is Ming, and I currently serve as a managing member at Pkstaxi, or in Thai called Sakon Taxi Pkstaxi Jamkat, based in Bangkok. I have a background in business planning and operations management with significant experience in transportation and logistics. My expertise lies on optimizing operations, reducing risk, and improve decision-making processes to enhance overall service efficiency and customer satisfaction. Today, I will introduce some key risk management and decision-making tools that I believe will improve our operations. These tools include risk assessment, data-driven decision-making, and scenario planning, all tailored to our industry context. As we all know, operating a taxi service in Bangkok comes with its own set of challenges. It's ranging from unpredictable traffic patterns to fluctuating fuel prices and even driver availability issues. These challenges require us to make quick yet informed decisions. By improving our risk management and decision-making processes, not only handle these uncertainties more efficiently, but also turn potential risks into opportunities for growth. The first tool I would like to propose is the risk assessment matrix. These two allow us to systematically identify, assess, and prioritize risk based on their impact and likelihood. For example, by analyzing historical data from traffic patterns, we can predict high congestion periods and allocate our taxi more efficiently. This will help reduce delay and improve our response time to customer bookings, ensuring that we provide reliable service even during peak hours. Next is data-driven decision making. Imagine if we could predict customer demand in real time, much like food delivery services do. By integrating GPS tracking systems into our fleet and utilizing demand forecasting algorithms, we can identify where the highest demand for taxi will be throughout the day. This would allow us to position our taxis strategically, reducing idle time for drivers and improving customer satisfaction by reducing wait times. Finally, I would like to introduce scenario planning. This tool is critical in preparing us for various future events, such as regulatory changes or unexpected spikes in fuel prices. Scenario planning helps us visualize best case, moderate case, and worst case scenarios so that we can adapt our strategy accordingly. For example, in a worst case scenario where fuel prices rise significantly, we can plan to adjust fares or even reduce non-essential trips. Trust, maintaining operational profitability. Now, how do we adapt these tools to our specific context at PKA Taxi? For the risk assessment metric, we would need to create a framework that regularly updates based on new risks, such as changes in government regulations or customer behavior. Our operation team will be responsible for constantly reviewing these metrics to ensure we are always prepared. For data-driven decision-making, we will need to invest in GPS technologies for all our taxis and provide training for our dispatch team to interpret the data efficiently. This might require a modest initial investment, but the long-term benefits of improved service efficiency and cost reductions will far outweigh these costs. In terms of scenario planning, we can set up regular strategy meetings where we review potential future scenarios based on market trends or economic indicators. This will enable us to proactively adjust our business model and operational strategies, ensuring long-term sustainability. In terms of implementation, we can begin with a phased approach. First, we roll out the GPS tracking system as a pilot program in high demand areas. Once we see the benefits, we can scale this up to cover the entire fleet. Meanwhile, we can also start small with the risk assessment metrics, focusing initially on the most critical risks like traffic congestion and fuel or NGV costs before expanding it to cover other risks such as driver availability and vehicle maintenance. For scenario planning, we can start with quarterly strategy sessions where we review potential future risks and adjust our business plans accordingly. This would ensure that we are always a step ahead, even in uncertain times. In conclusion, by integrating these decision-making tools, risk assessment, data-driven decision-making, and scenario planning, we can significantly improve Pkstaxi operations. This strategy will help us not only mitigate risk, but also seize new opportunities, ensuring that we continue to provide efficient, reliable, and profitable taxi services in an ever-changing market. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to discuss how we can take these ideas toward to enhance Pkstaxi decision-making framework.